All right, everybody, I want to show you how to use Canva for YouTube video cover art. You are going to love this. Previously, I have told you how to create channel art, like a tile for your actual video. You guys, this is awesome, and this will help you stand out. So this could be for ZYIA Active, it could be for a podcast, it can be for whatever. So let me show you. I'm going to share my screen here and show you exactly how to do this. It is awesome. Okay, here we go over here. I am on Canva right now. I do have a Canva Pro account, and I will link below if you want to throw me a bone and get a pro account under my affiliate link. But you guys, you don't need a pro account for this at all. So what I'm going to do is go over here to YouTube channel art. We're going to do the video art though. So we're going to do YouTube video art. And then I actually have selected one right over here. So this is actually a video, you guys. So this is really cool. Like when you click here, you can see this girl jumping rope, and it just captures attention. We know that we're always looking for something that will help folks stop the scroll. So I'm going to show you how I would brand this for myself. If you don't have an actual video as well, you can always use this stuff for animation. So these stars here do like a little bit of sparkling or whatever. It's just like a 5-second thing. You can animate it however you want, but this is just a still photo, and then the hearts and the diamonds here will kind of sparkle. But this is the one that I think is really, really cool. And let me show you how to make it like your own branding. So what I'm going to do over here, I'm going to come over here and just make this more like my brand friendly. And so here I'm just clicking on the colors. I've got my branding kit in here. I actually think I want to make this black part gray, like I do. But all the yellow stuff, for example, will become this mauve color that I use for my Run Lift Mom brand. And then I can change any of the text here as well. So I can say beginner running workouts instead, or I could say beginner treadmill workouts, because that is a lot of what I do. And let me just easy running exercises you can do at home. Obviously, I'm going to go back and change this, but here's what's really cool. Now I can upload a video to go here, and I went ahead and brought in a couple of videos. So why don't we go to this one, since I said treadmill. And then I'm just gonna, so it's uploading right now. This is a video of me running on a treadmill. And again, this would be the image that showed prior to a longer form video where I was maybe explaining a workout or showing somebody exactly what to do. You guys, you could do this for anything. The idea though here is that this is video instead of a still image in that thumbnail, intended to stop the scroll for someone and have them click on your video. So it's still uploading here. Again, super duper easy. Had any number of images we could have done. So let's bring that right there. Look at me, and there I am. I'm on the treadmill. I actually don't know if I love that one. I actually think I might like this one. No, that looks kind of weird too. What about this? Aha, there we go. I think I like that one better, you guys. So there we go. Well, I don't know. Here we go. Let's see. Yeah, there we go. So I'm actually looking at the camera there. I do think I like that better. So I might crop it though to where you can kind of, well, you're not gonna be able to tell I'm on the treadmill, are you? Nonetheless, you get the idea. You can crop it. You can do anything that you want, anything that you could possibly do for a photo, you're gonna be able to do for video. Note that this video is 20 seconds long. So this is exactly what it is giving me here as a default. If I want to clip that down a little bit and maybe make it shorter, I can do that here up top. So here's what I'm going to do. It's just going to be me running and then kind of looking over and giving a smile. Yeehaw, here we go. And you guys, it is as easy as that. Let me make this that mauve color, and then maybe I'm gonna come over here and put my logo in, Run Lift Mom, and you guys, this is it. I am going to throw up a treadmill workout so you can see exactly what this looks like. I will also link that below this tutorial, but I think this is bomb. I love that Canva does it. And again, of all of the little things that I nickel and dime with for my ZYIA Active and my podcast business, I think Canva for $100 is like a no-brainer. If you're a ZYIA Active rep and you are, let me stop the share here. If you're a ZYIA Active rep and you are paying for a bunch of size samples and you don't have Canva Pro, what are you doing, girl? If you are a podcaster and you have a $300 microphone, but you have not invested the money into Canva for your marketing, what are you doing, girl? Nobody can listen to your show if they don't know it exists. And it's tools like this. It's things that are going to help you with your marketing. I would place Headliner as a close second to that. It's stuff like this that it's actually going to help you get your message out there. Don't have all this awesome content, but then your packaging stinks and nobody picks it up. Do you get my metaphor there? That's it, you guys. I'm Susie Goodwin, Run Lift Mom Podcast, runliftmompod.com. I'm going to put every single thing I talked about below here in the description. Links to Canva, links to Headliner, links to my website, and to get in touch with me.